them as like fraction by multiplying with the denominator of this one to both numerator and denominator of this term, and denominator of this term should be multiplied to both numerator and denominator. Then they are converted into like fractions now. 2 sevens are 14 by 21 plus 3 threes are 9 by 21. Now as they have same denominator, they are called like fractions. So 14 plus 9, 23 by 21. Similarly, we can do subtraction. In this case also, both like fraction and unlike fractions are involved. 7 by 4 minus 2 by 4, like fractions subtraction. It is easily possible. Directly 7 minus 2 by 4, that is 5 by 4. In case of unlike, this is for like fraction. 7 by 4 minus 3 by 5. In this case, can multiply with this 5 to both numerator and denominator, multiply by 4 to both numerator and denominator of this term, then 7 5s are 35 by 20 minus 3 4s are 12 by 20, and now 35 minus 12 by the same denominator, that is 23 by 20. This is about addition and subtraction of fractions and multiplication. 7 by 4 into 3 by 4. Numerator and numerator directly multiplied. Denominator and denominator also multiplied. 21 by 16. Thank you. If you liked this video, I can teach you paid class. So I can teach all the concepts, basic concepts, fractions, decimals, percentages, algebra. If you want to learn this, you can contact me. Thank you.